All right, hello, lovely people. Welcome to my first video. Today we're gonna see one of my oldest projects, and this is actually a friend's house, and it's brand new. The house is not that old. It was built in 2015, I guess. But they wanted to remodel the bathroom, so we're gonna do a quick one because I'm not gonna focus on interior design. I just want to show you like what I do, 3D stuff, and how to make what you imagining comes to life. Like you can see it, walk through it. We're gonna see a nice video at the end. So let's start. All right, so you can see here the floor plan is the second floor. This is a quick sketch that I did for the whole house, like just to know how to put things together. The green here is the vanity. On the left, the blue one is the bathtub. Toilet here with the red one. So the new layout is basically just switching the bathtub and the vanity. As you can see, the bathtub now is to the right, so you can cover the toilet seat, which is very important because here, this, by the way, the photos are from his house, so when you open the door you can see immediately the toilet seat, and this is a big no-no. We shouldn't see the toilet seat. That's why I switched the location of these two, because we're gonna have here on top of the bathtub a half wall of glass, and we're gonna be able to cover the toilet seat. You will see it later. So this is basically, like I said, the new bathroom, new house. It's not that old, it's actually nice, but some inspiration here, things that they like. um they wanted like a black and white, kind of like a modern style, not minimalistic but at least modern. Here we have a bird's eye view, like the new bathroom from above. The door is here. We can't see it, obviously, because we are on top of it. And this door leads to another room, actually. And here, the first, I think this is the first rendering I sent my friend just so he can have an idea. Let me know if I should continue or not. You can see black and white with that touch of light gray that we saw on the inspiration. Here we look to the right to the vanity when we enter. This is the new vanity, a floating double sink vanity. The door now is like a dark gray, almost black with a golden accent. We have a niche in the wall, like 6 inches deep to the wall, and we have that nice wallpaper. And here things started to come together, like you can see the little details, some shelves above the toilet seat. You can see the shower head. It's an expensive one, by the way. And yeah, different angles. I mean, this is what he hired me for, like to see how it's gonna look before he goes and start putting this thing together. Let's continue here. I even did some night renderings just so he can see it during the day and the night. Keep in mind there's just a small window for the whole space, so the night is usually the better part of this design. You can see the mirror with the light on the sides, the ceiling light here. This is the glass we talked about, tempered or whatever it's called in English, so you can't see what's behind when someone is sitting on the toilet seat. Another little niche here so you can put a few things next to the toilet seat. Another angle here, And this is a quick comparison. You can see here the vanity, it was on the left, but now we have the top, not the vanity. So, and now I'm gonna leave you with the video so you can see the whole thing, like walking 3D rendering video, you walking through your space. I mean, this is the point. This is why he hired me to do this. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and peace.